Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a clock to home screen on the Google Pixel 10. So first, what you guys want to do is hold your finger on the home screen until you see this menu pop up. Now let's click Widgets, and right here in the widgets we need to find the clock. As you guys can see, we have 6 widgets. Here we can choose them. So for an example, I'll choose the digital one and now click add. As you guys can see, now we can choose the clock style. Is it solid or transparent? I'll use the transparent one. And as you guys can see here, we can also resize it. And now here we have a clock on our home screen. So that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.